The issue of stubble burning is on the rise in the states of Punjab and Haryana as the Delhi NCR region continues to suffocate even as we speak. While Punjab claims it has given incentives to farmers for not burning the stubble, the farmers continue to burn that stubble. Situation continues to simmer. India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal visited the farm and also spoke to farmers to understand ground realities. Let's take a look.
Delhi, Punjab and Haryana are in the middle of a raging battle over farm fires. While the Arvind Kejriwal government claims Delhi's two neighbours haven't done much to check stubble burning, the Punjab government has now hit back at Delhi and the centre. The Amrinder Singh government claims panchayats in Punjab have made facilities available for farmers who don't want to burn stubble. All they need to do is fill forms and submit it to the panchayat office. India Today hit the ground to verify these claims. Farmers we met in Faridkot and Firozpur didn't quite agree.
ना जी बिल्कुल नहीं लगाई जी बिल्कुल नहीं आग लगाई सारा वैसे ही रखा जी वो फिर उठाया वो लेट हो गया लेट होने करके कणक लेट हो गया ते इस बार भी मैंने हुण कटवाया अभी गट्ठा वाली मशीन नहीं आया ते हुण जदों आएगी मैनूं लगदा भी पिछले साल वाले फिर मेरे नाल बीतेगी भी वो बत्तर चला जाएगा फिर कणक कैसे होएगी मैनूं फिर लॉस पाएगा।
जो सरकार के माध्यम से अखबारों में आ रहा है कि किसानों की पराली के लिए हम फार्म भेजे हैं पर साढ़े किसानों के पास या कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी के पास या किसी सरपंच के पास या किसी मेंबर के पास कोई फार्म नहीं मिला है जिसको हम भर दें कि हमारे को जो गवर्नमेंट से कोई रिलीफ आ रही है मिले। हमारे को ना फार्म मिला है ना पिछले साल मिला ना अब मिला है।
The farmers say that subsidy on machines promised by the government isn't helpful either.
India Today spoke with farmers of Faridkot as well as those who stay in Firozpur. In both these places, farmers say they do not know about any kind of form given by the government. They also said if there was indeed a form which was given by the government, the societies would definitely know about it. In Punjab, there is a very clear divide between what the government claims and what's happening on the ground.
Punjab produces nearly 20 million tons of paddy stubble every year, out of which 93% is usually consigned to the flames. The Punjab government has claimed to have appointed 8,000 nodal officers in villages to check stubble burning. But these appointments remain only on paper. They are missing on the ground. The state government says more than 23,500 crop residue management machines are being given to farmers for on-site management of straw this year. However, majority of farmers were either not in a position to buy the machines, which cost as much as 8 to 10,000 rupees, or have rejected the equipment, which increased the cost of cultivation per acre by at least 2,000 rupees. The Amrinder Singh government claims that more than 51,000 crop residue management machines have been given in the past 2 years on subsidy. But the reality is, most farmers are not even aware of the subsidy. The Punjab government also claims a compensation of 2,500 rupees per acre is being given to those farmers not burning farm residue. A report, however, said only 5,000 farmers were paid 19 crore rupees for not burning their crop residue in 2019. Investigations by the state authorities revealed that a sizable number of the farmers who were compensated were either not eligible or were themselves accused of burning stubble. Another claim by the government is that the paddy stubble can be used as fodder to feed the cattle. In reality, farmers prefer wheat stubble as cattle feed as paddy residue is coarser. The Amrinder Singh government also claims to have acted against the farmers who burn their stubble. While it's true cases have been registered, punitive action against them is a mere eyewash. With Aishwarya Paliwal in Faridkot, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.